everyone, it's Minnie. Welcome back to Colors of Lily. Today I am super excited to share a fun and easy, cozy infinity scarf project with you guys today. Now today I'm using the beautiful Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo yarn in this stunning brick red color. If you are a fan of vibrant and warm colors, you're going to love this one. I saw this scarf on Love for Nails YouTube channel years ago, and I make a couple for myself every few years. And this time I thought, maybe I should just share my process of actually crocheting a scarf for me. This scarf project is perfect for both the beginner crocheter as well as the experienced crocheter. All you need is a size K 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, some scissors, and a weaving needle, a crochet needle to weave in your ends. And I will walk you through every step to create this stylish and comfortable infinity scarf. And this is sure to keep you warm for this winter season. So grab your yarn and your hook and let's dive right into this project. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy crochet projects like these. I am going to go ahead and make a loop, and I make my loop by taking my long piece of yarn, folding it over and making a circle, and then I take some of the long yarn and I push it up through the back of the circle. I pull it through and I use the short piece of yarn to tighten. Now we're going to insert our crochet hook. And you can tighten a little more. And now I am going to crochet 180 chains. That's 180 chains. You just basically wrap your yarn around the hook and pull through the loop that's on the hook. Wrap your yarn over the hook, pull through the loop that's on the hook. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull through the loop. And we are going to do that 180 times. Okay, and as you get comfortable with it, you can go faster. My chain is not really tight, it's a loose chain. So if yours is kind of tight, just loosen up on your pressure some, your tension. So we're gonna do it 180 times. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Okay, so do your 180 chains and we'll be back. So I just finished up my 180 chains. Now we are going to combine the ending with the beginning of the chain. So we're just going to insert the crochet hook in the top of the loop of the first chain, and I don't worry about trying to make sure the chain is straight all around. This pattern is pretty forgiving for that, so I just leave it however it is. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through both the loops on the hook. Okay, and then we're going to chain 6, 2, and that's just yarning over and pulling through. That's 3, that's 4, 5, yarn over, pull it through, and that makes 6. We are going to go down to the original chain. We are going to skip this chain and go into the next one. So we are basically we are going to do an extended single crochet. We're going to insert our crochet hook, pull the yarn through, and there's 2 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over, but we are only going to pull through one of the loops on the hook. That leaves us again with 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Again, you have 2 loops left. Now this time we're going to yarn over, the third time, yarn over, and pull through both of the loops on the hook. Then we're going to chain 1. And then we are going to skip the next chain and go into the next one. And I just like to go right into the top loop of whichever chain that I'm going into, just that top loop. Chain, insert, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops, chain 1, skip the next chain and go into the next one. We're going to insert our crochet hook. Insert our crochet hook, pull the yarn up, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. Now we're going to skip the next one, go into the next one, and that's basically going to be the pattern for the first row. You're basically going to do an extended single crochet, skip, and extended single crochet in the next one, and you're going to do that all the way around until you get back to the beginning. And we're going to insert our crochet hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and chain 1. And we're going to continue that all the way around. See you when you get back to the beginning. I'm finished with my first row, and here you want to make sure your row is straight, okay? So just make sure everything lines up. You might want to run your finger down and just make sure everything lines up. And now we're going into joining the 2 rows together. And the first thing we want to do is look at the extended crochet, the first extended crochet, and this little loop that's right on the right side of the extended crochet, that's where we want to start our second row of extended crochets, right in there, okay? So now we're going to just take our hook, go into that extended crochet, pull up, chain, pull through 1 loop, pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops. And we're going to chain 1. We are going to basically continue the extended crochet pattern all the way around. So we're going to, and make sure you're right here on the right side of the extended crochet next to that straight line right there. So right in between. So we're going to go right into there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both, and then do a chain. Again, insert your crochet hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both, and then we're going to do a chain. And we're going to continue this for 10 rounds if you want a thinner scarf. But if you want a thicker scarf that kind of can go all over your head, you want to do like 20 rows, and that's what we are going to do. But I'll stop at 10 to show you what it looks like, and then I'll stop at 20, and then you can see the difference, okay? But we're just going to continue this pattern. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull and single and chain. Insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain. Continue that all the way around. I'm finishing up the second row, and you can tell I'm at the end because I'm right back where the tail starts. So what I am going to do is look for the extended single crochet and look for the little line right next to it, right here. I got the extended crochet with that little line next to it, and I am going to go right into that line, right in between there. Come up, pull my yarn up, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain. And again, we're going to continue this for 10 rows. I'll see you back when I have 10 rows completed. I am finishing up my 10th round, and remember we go into the right side of the extended crochet, and I am just going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, and then now we are going to yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. Now we're going to chain one. Now if you wanted to stop here, you can skip all the way to the end of the video where I can show you how to tie the scarf off and to go ahead and weave in this extra thread at the bottom. So if you want to stop here, this is about how thick the scarf is. But if you want to see if I continue to the 20 rounds, it will be about that thick, okay? And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue and do 10 more rounds. So we're going to keep going. See you back here at my 20th round. I am finishing up my 20th round. And again, I'm going in, pulling up, cross over, pull through one, cross over, pull through one, cross over, pull through two. And then I am going to do that final chain. I'm going to insert my crochet hook right at the top of that extended single crochet right there, and I'm just going to insert it, yarn over, and I'm going to pull that yarn up, and I am going to pull it through. And let me go ahead and clip my end, clip the end. Now I'm going to pull that all the way through. Okay. I'm going to make another knot just for safety's sake, so to make sure it doesn't come, everything doesn't come apart. Just put another knot in there, and now I am going to weave my yarn through to finish it off. And I'm just weaving it straight down, just to hide the tail. That's it. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Okay, let me clip that. I'm gonna do the same thing for the beginning tail. Just weave it through. Again, this pattern is very forgiving, so it doesn't take much to get it in there. Okay, so we are done. We are done. Thank you for joining me today on making this infinity scarf, and I pray you had just as much fun as I had making this scarf. I even made one in a buff color too, with looser tension in each of my strokes. Now if you enjoyed this project, be sure to thumbs it up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future tutorials. I'd love to see how your scarves turn out, so feel free to share your pictures or maybe tag me on social media. You can find me at Naturally Mani. I'll put it down in the description box. And until next time, happy crocheting and keep those hooks a-hooking. Y'all, see y'all later. Bye-bye.